Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to generate a story after each tower on the Komoot application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the profile icon next to the record button at the lower bar on the page, and you click to the settings icon at the upper side of the screen. In the account section, you can find the App Settings button. Click that, and here you can find the fourth option, the tour story auto rendering. They automatically generate a story after each tour. And if you want to enable, just click to the next white circle, and if it will be green, this function will be enabled and on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.